Welcome to our lecture online. Our next example, again, doesn't look like a complex fraction, but after we change the negative exponents to positive exponents, it will. So this is going to look as follows, equals 1 over x plus 1 over x squared divided by 3 over x minus 1 over x squared. And all of a sudden, it does look like a complex fraction. So here, what we can then recognize, we have an x squared, an x, and an x squared in the denominator, which means that the lowest common denominator is the largest of the two denominators. The LCD equals x squared, which means we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by x squared. When we do so, we get the following. X squared divided by x simply gives us x times 1, which is x, plus here the x squares cancel, and we're simply left with a plus 1. In the denominator, x squared divided by x is x times 3 is 3x, minus here the x squares cancel, and we're left with a negative 1. And it looks like there's nothing else we could do, and that is the final answer. So notice, very quickly, using that technique, we get the final simplified form of that example. That is how it's done.